Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations.
And a mega giveaway event.
It is quite a lot of stuff.
We have decided to give something back to you, our fantastic subscribers.
Yeah.
And give away the biggest giveaway that we have given to date, I think.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, it's a lot of bits and bobs. And we were just in the mood for a competition.
Mood. Yeah, we thought, we kind of got over the January hump and, the weather is trying to get nicer.
It's trying to get better. It is just rain.
Non-stop rain. So we thought, what better to do than do a little giveaway?
Yeah. So we are giving away the best cavity wax protector going, the Bilthamber Dynax UC, which is great for every part of your vehicle, apart from maybe not on the paint because it'll go weird.
No, you would
don't spray it.
Don't spray it on your paint. No, but this is our go-to.
This is our go-to rust protection.
Yep.
Very good. Creeps into all the little nooks and crannies. Sets. Brilliant stuff.
Oh, fantastic!
Oh, fantastic.
With the long reach lance.
Mega long reach lance and the
little shooty one.
That one's dangerous. It fires out loads of stuff. It's amazing.
Watch yourself with that.
Also, a little pot of Deoxy for those times where you need to submerge something rusty and remove every milliscule micron of rust.
You might remember we did an episode testing all the rust removers.
It kicked ass.
This kicked ass.
It kicked ass.
This
you do have to keep it warm.
Keep it warm.
Keep it warm, but it kicked ass once it was kept warm.
You can't replicate the results with anything else. This is
fantastic
the
product.
stuff.
Yeah.
So our go-to rust remover as well.
Yeah,
We're going to work our way along the table.
Yeah, why not?
Why not?
Why not? Got some stickers. Got nice mug and some tea.
Our go-to workshop tea. Love a bit of Welsh brew. As you're in the workshop, you're going to need a good head torch. This is our Whiteland Restorations awesome head torch.
Yeah.
Look how bright that is. Ooh, and flash mode. Sorry.
Fantastic bit of kit. If I'm underneath the car, or even doing polishing, or even sanding something that's important, I've got one of those on because it just illuminates everything in front of you perfectly.
You can ask for more light.
I use them all the time.
All the time. We've got a couple of our own products as well.
Yeah.
We have our small filler scraper.
Which we haven't actually even got on the website
No,
yet.
this is exclusive. You'll be the first one to actually have one of these. This is the small panel size for doing your fills. Lewis has demonstrated using the big one. Same principle, just a little bit smaller.
Same with this. We haven't actually got these for sale yet. So this is a smaller filler board compared to the normal
large. Yeah, this is the small job one.
This is more convenient sized. It's
little jobs.
It's for little jobs.
For little jobs.
Yeah,
so
not everybody needs a pro level massive filler board, do they?
No, not everybody's doing full sided cars, but it comes with the Whiteland Restorations branded spreader, and obviously on point with the branding on the board as well. You never need to buy an onion board. You have this forever.
Oh yeah.
Forever. Speaking of forever, I love these t-shirts.
Oh, look, that is one of my favourite designs.
It's one of our favourite designs.
It's our favourite design.
But this isn't going to be around forever.
It isn't.
I don't think so.
No.
No, this is one of the last runs of these t-shirts.
Yeah.
So you'll be getting one of those as well. Oh, hold on.
It's
actually got the original logo on the back as well.
And then just the Topolino Retro Cool, we call that.
That's Retro Cool, yeah.
Yeah.
But soon to be discontinued. But there we go. That'll be a lovely t-shirt for you. But
also a fridge magnet.
Handmade by Lewis himself.
And our little laser.
And our little laser. And another handmade product.
Our little car keyring. Or
house
keyrings.
Keyring. Any key. Goes on a key, Lou.
It goes on a key.
It goes on a key, any key.
Safe key, nuclear keys,
The kill keys.
The kill keys.
Yeah, anything you want. This will go on it. But not only that, we will personalise this keyring for you. We'll put your reg or name or car's name or anything on the back.
Engrave it with whatever you need.
We'll have a chat, we'll personalise it for you.
Yeah.
So there we go. There is a whole prize bundle ready to be won. There's just two things you've got to do. The old stipulations.
Yeah.
Number one, subscribe.
Be a subscriber.
Be a subscriber. Click that button. And number two, answer this question in the comments.
What car did we just paint over the Easter bank holiday weekend?
That's
a fairly easy one for anybody who watches our channel. You get to win all this lovely stuff.
We will pick a name at random. Don't forget, members and patrons, their names get entered automatically.
Yeah, that is one of the amazing perks of our members and
certainly
patrons.
is.
They already get into the competitions.
If you put the right answer in the comments, your name gets put into the hat as well. We'll pull one out and we will let you know if you're the winner. Also, should we do a live draw?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, we'll do a live draw, I think.
It's not going to be a long competition. How long?
Should we do a week?
A week? 1 week?
1 week? You got 1 week from
competition
now.
to win some cool stuff.
Some cool stuff, yeah. So maybe Lewis will get some more work done on the E30
Yeah,
as well.
that's the real reason why we haven't got any normal videos coming out.
He is working so hard to get this car ready
for a show.
Wheels for Wales is going to be in Newquay on the 19th of May.
Yeah.
Volvo will be there. We're hoping
if you go
the
in,
E30
buy
will
a
be there.
ticket. You have to buy a ticket online.
Tickets are running out. You've got to get on. I'll put the link in the description. Go and buy a ticket. Come to West Wales, enjoy the weather, and you can have some chips in Newquay.
It's going to be a great venue. It's got a beautiful sea view.
Yeah, it's got a beautiful view. It's so good. Right, guys, thank you very much for joining us. Hope you're all getting on well with your own projects.
Yeah. That's it for now. We'll see you next weekend. Yeah. Good luck.
Good luck with the competition, guys.
Ciao.
Ciao.